Yeah, see, I got a subscriber that likes little chocolate swirl, fam. Yeah. I'm not a financial advisor, say. No. No, I'm not. Strictly education, yeah. It's education and entertainment only. This is
We don't got time for that now. Get him out of here. Get rid of us. Bring his car to the salvage question.
Cadillac. Mannaggia money.
I'll get some.
Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind company-made computer software trading probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. And as we brought to you last time, Tesla, we're going to open up the show with, we have entered in another short position. As you know, we made phenomenal gains shorting Tesla. If we look and go to the daily, we made phenomenal gains on Tesla back here. We shorted from right here, and then we exited our position right in there, just below 1,000, 990 something. Then it had a little run up, and then it crashed, and then it had a nice little run up right here to this lower support, and it ran up 14%. And so we re-entered in the short position on 2 shares short. And we're thinking we're getting rejected up here at this upper resistance that we've been sort of following. Besides a little blowout there, a little blow off top there, but it's been getting rejected. If you zoom out, you can see what I'm talking about. It's been getting rejected in sort of this rising channel. It comes out a little bit there, peaks down a little bit there and there. But I think this is getting topped out up in here. And I think it's going to trade back down. So we have entered into a short position on Tesla, right? If you have the ability to short, I think this thing's coming down towards that $700 mark. And from current price, this is going to be a phenomenal. Where's current price at? 904. It's going to be another 24% is I think where Tesla's going. I think it's coming to the downside, and we've entered into a position there. And you can see the overall stock market just getting obliterated. The gold market, real quick, has recovered from yesterday. Some ups, some downs. Bullion's up $15. Silver is down today, but I think silver is going to be recovering. I think it's due for another bounce up, right? But then if we go into the coins, you can see Bitcoin's had a phenomenally bad day, down as much as 3.5%, I believe, earlier that I seen. But if we zoom in to the 3-hour time frame, and you can see we got rejected again by that beautiful uptrending line, just like what we were talking about when the 200-day in green was back there. The 200-day gets really close to that uptrending support, right? And then the price comes up and gets rejected, just like the price did there and got rejected. And the price got rejected right there. And if you go back and zoom farther and farther out, it's been rejected, 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 because it's all bearish all the time right now. And your next major support level is down here at this uptrending line, which on today's price is 37,160-ish. And then I believe what's going to happen here is you trade down and then you slip through, you start using that as resistance, and then you have a big crash down to your next major underneath target. Crypto Insider or Vincenzo is predicting you come down here before you come up there or anywhere near there. I think the 31,556 is your next move down. XLM's been doing exactly what we thought. It's trading down, got rejected by the 200-day and the 50-day. Now I think you're going to 17 cents. And as you do know in my overall thesis, that after 17 cents in the blue ring, we've been playing these rings fairly consistent since way back here. We think we're coming down to 17 cents after this fake out to the upside that we called out and diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected early down here as a nice possible pump up to upper resistance. Now this appears to be trading back down to the purple dotted line. Then we're going to trade into this blue ring. And after you break this blue ring, that initiates another flush. So you still have a little more time before you come down and then cross this blue ring. And that's going to initiate a flush down to the next ring, as you can see right there, with that big green arrow that's pointed down to the next underneath support at about 7 cents, right? It seems low, but it is going to happen. ADS, you can see, is trading over to the blue ring now after it got rejected. And this too could do one of two things. You could try to get some support if you come down to this blue ring really quick because that's a big drop, and you could try to pump back up to this upper resistance. But I believe even as you go, as soon as you cross this ring, the 200 day is going to be downtrending. Let's put that on a level. It's going to be trending down. This comes down. It's going to squeeze the price. And I believe in this coin too, this is going to squeeze you to the downside. And the downside target is all the way down here as we move this price out into the future. I think we're still coming down to 20 cents. We had a 20-cent marked over here where we have kind of two crossing areas of support and resistance. We've just shifted that into the future more. And I still believe and ADS, your next move is to the downside to 20 cents as your underneath support. If we go look at some Cardano, you can see Cardano's been following the pattern beautifully as we had a bit of a bounce. Let's just zoom out. We had a bit of a bounce, getting you up to about the $1.23. We had a $1.06 target when the price was fighting down here. As we said, if you got above the 200-day, it was a buy zone to the top part of this orange support zone. And at the time, from the 200-day on a breakout, that was a 17-18% move. And then we said that would get topped out there or slightly higher, which it got slightly higher as it was a bearish bounce. And then the price would trade back down. And we had our forecast when it was up here, quote, the smart money that bought down in the pit down there was selling right there. And as soon as they were done selling, the price was going to come down. And our next underneath target was right down here, 63 cents. I felt like it would breach this old low about the level it's at now. And then it would slip down to 63 cents to the bottom part of the orange support zone, aka last line of defense to the shithouse. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Until the next update.